In today's Binance tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Ethereum wallet address. Whether you're looking to receive Ethereum or transfer it from another wallet, knowing how to locate your Ethereum address is essential. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, head to the Wallet section. From there, tap on the Deposit option. In the search bar, type ETH and select Ethereum from the results. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a network for your Ethereum deposit. Binance supports multiple networks such as Ethereum, ERC20, BNB Smart Chain, BEP20, and others. For receiving Ethereum, it's best to choose the ERC20 network, as it's the official Ethereum network and widely supported. Once you've selected the network, your unique Ethereum deposit address will appear on the screen. Simply copy this address by tapping the copy icon next to it. This is the address you'll use to receive Ethereum from another wallet or exchange. Now, you can share this address with anyone who wants to send you Ethereum, or paste it into the wallet or exchange from which you're transferring Ethereum. Just make sure you're always using the correct network, ERC20 in this case, to avoid any issues with the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully found your Ethereum wallet address on Binance. I hope this tutorial made the process easy for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto guides and tutorials. If you have any questions or need more help, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.